Hey everyone, Riley's Productions here. We're just taking a little break from doing some work at the shop and giving you guys an update. We've panelized the walls, if you can see here with a pointer. We put some PBR panels on the walls to protect the insulation, just to protect everything, and then it makes the shop a little bit better. It used to be like this, where all the insulation was exposed, so we spent some time just drilling some panels onto the walls. It's a mess right now. We're working on the electrical of the shop. I jerry-rigged some LED lights on the ceiling here, but we need to fix that with running the EMT tubing to the wiring to the lights itself. So I'm working on that right now. But like I said, I'm just taking a break, and we're going to do an unboxing of some Mitutoyo calipers in this box here. It's on the Challenger. So, but yeah, just a quick update from the shop. I know it's a mess, but it is what it is. We got some Mitutoyo precision calipers in the mail last year, but we never opened them up. And we're also going to open this box from Summit that I got last year as well. See, it's still sealed. I actually don't know what the hell's inside here. So I'll show you guys. This is all sealed from the place I ordered it. See, Riley's Productions. We needed some precision calipers because the ones we got from Harbor Freight are crap. So just putting up the money and bought some expensive stuff. So here goes. Oh, by the way, yes, this is the hood of the Dodge Challenger. We're using it as a work table right now. It's a regular flat hood, so I don't really give a shit, but it's our work table for right now. But anyways, here goes the unboxing. I'll open it up and see what we have inside. Guys, bear with me here. Trying to slice myself. I've been super busy at the shop, and I just haven't posted any videos, so we're able to take a break. But here's what's inside of this nice big box. So here goes a Mitutoyo dial indicator. We got our stuff from IO Precision in Columbus, Ohio. They are a actual dealer of Mitutoyo. I didn't want to order from Amazon and get Chinese knockoffs of these products, so made in Japan, as you see right there. Hopefully these are the right tools that I ordered. They're not Chinese knockoffs, but we shall see. This is another dial indicator. Let's see here. Alright, it's a nice little piece here. I'm going to use these to measure the bell housing on the Challenger. It's in metric, but we got a deal on this caliper. It's really cheap. Cheaper. These are expensive instruments, but well worth the money. Oh, here's a magnetic stand for the dial indicator. Open that up. It's a nice magnetic stand. It'll be useful to measure the parallelism of the bell housing on the block when it comes time to install the transmission. And then this is the Mitutoyo precision caliper. Ooh, shiny. Very nice. So, like I said, hopefully this is the real deal, legit, made in Japan item. There's been a lot of knockoffs, so I wanted to make sure and cross-reference the Mitutoyo website to see which vendors are actually selling their products. So we were able to get like a deal through Ideal Precision. I'm just going to open it up off screen. But like I said, this is the first time we're opening it up. We got these last year. I'm repeating myself, but there's no battery. But this is the part number. This is the 8-inch version. There it goes. There's some focus. And there's a serial number, and it says on there made in Japan. But this will help us measure and all that. So let's put these away. And I'm curious to see what the hell this Summit box is. I honestly forgot what was in here, but there's probably some more parts for the Challenger build. I won't know until I open it up. So, oh, the hydraulic release bearing. Oh, okay. This is the hydraulic release bearing for, it's a Tilton version for the 73 Challenger for the T56 Magnum that's going to get. I like Tilton products, so I must have got another one. But I'll open this up in another time. This is the part number for the T56 Magnum. But okay. So here we are at the back of the 426 Gen 3 Hemi crate motor for the 73 Challenger build. I need to measure the pilot bushing diameter just to verify the size of it, which one to get. And then I also need to measure the dowel pins. They're hidden behind these wooden blocks, but I can reach them. That's the whole reason why I got one of these Mitutoyo calipers. I got the battery running, and we'll see how she works. So let's see here. This is in inches, so I think this thing is about 1.8 something. Nearly there. It's like 1.81 supposedly. Yeah, it's nearly there. It's like 1.8. And then the dowel, measure the dowel pin here. I measured it earlier just to make sure. This should be like 4.96. Right on 5. Let me reset it. Yeah, 4.97. So the dowel pins you can get for a Mopar are supposed to be 4.96. 4.97 is pretty damn close. So yeah, this seems to be accurate. Hopefully I got the correct Mitutoyo part. But so just to reiterate, the dowel pins on a Mopar Gen 3 Hemi I think are 4.96, 97, somewhere around there. That's what the dowel pins you can buy commercially or sized at. And then the the pilot bushing diameter should be 1.8 something. Should be 1.818 or something like that. This thing isn't too smooth, so. Yeah, it says 1.805. Should be 1.818 is the bushing that you can get. So I might have to do some sanding on it, but it's very slight. But there you go. There's some measurements for you guys. All right, this production's out.